यूं ही बरस बरस काली हटा बरसे, हम यार भीग जाएं इस चाहत की बारिश में। तेरी खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाऊं मैं अपनी उंगलियों से, मैं तो हूँ इस ख्वाहिश में। सर्दी की रातों में हम सोए रहे एक चादर में, हम दोनों तन्हा हो ना कोई भी रहे इस घर में। जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासा हूँ मुझे कर ले अपनी बाहों में, जरा जरा महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन। मैं प्यासा हूँ मुझे कर ले अपनी बाहों में। Good evening, welcome back to In the Khud. This is 10th May 2023, 6:28 p.m. and today is one of those classic days where I just worked and I have made zero progress, hence the title of this video. The bigger thing that I'm trying to address here is, we see the time is 6:28. It should have been earlier. I should be recording by 6 o'clock. One thing that I'm trying to do is get to the gym, if I have to go to the gym, by 7:30, so that by 8:30 I can leave the gym. Like a normal person, be home, and by 10 o'clock just sleep. Because as a matter of fact, it is not possible for me to take the Amrit Vela part out of my life now. It has firmly become a part of identity, who I am. It's not just even a habit, it's become who I am. That's like the final stage of a habit when it gets so solidified in you. It's part of your identity. So I have to get up at 4 o'clock anyhow. And if I have to, I might as well get like 6 to 7 hours of sleep before I do get up, because today, as a matter of fact, I woke up with such a massive headache because yesterday was a very very long, very intense day, and I ended up sleeping by 11:30, because even after coming back from gym at 9:30, I just do some kind of random stuff till 11:30, and then after waking up I was so tired that even during the part I was almost sleeping all the time. Then I've written down here as well, I went to sleep at 6 till 8:30, then took Snowy down and then came back up, and again I was having a headache. I slept till 11:30. So this system is not gonna work. This is not sustainable at all. So what I have to do is I have to switch things up so I can like get enough sleep in the night itself, so that if I have to take a nap, it can be like half an hour nap during the day somewhere. That is what the aim is for today. So I have a bunch of edits to figure for the day. We'll try continuing the work on 3D project. I could not get to it, but one thing that I did learn, and there's something on the internet, nobody just tells it to you, just give me the number. I couldn't find it, so I'm just telling you. 1928:10, if you want this kind of cinematic aspect, which is 1.85:1 something. The dimensions is 1920 to 810 in 1080p. If you want to do 4K, that'll be 3840 by 1620, I believe. So yeah, that's one thing that I'm gonna give away, and everything else is the same as it was yesterday. There's no progress, except for this looks a lot more cinematic now. Yes, please. I mean, nobody's asked me to do it. I'm just doing things myself. For the edit, I made one edit today, and I'm gonna play that because it's like a Mother's Day edit, and I luckily found a song which was like "Mama, I love you, Mama" kind of thing. So I'm just gonna play this.
No one loves me like my mama.
What's up with this sound?
No one loves me like my mama. No one knows me like you do. My heart sings because of you. My one and only mama. There's nothing in this world I wanna love more than you, my mama.
I get a little bit of Toy Story vibes from "You got a friend in me, you got a friend in me." I also got on a call for the full-time job for one of the brands and discussed with the editor. That haven't started working, but I started working on another edit for the full-time job itself. It's been edit heavy days, and again, the only time that I get to work on 3D or anything valuable, meaningful that I can document here in the code is in that morning time, which I missed out on today. So that's very important for me to do something significant in that session and not just sleep away that part. So that's why there's nothing to document today. Thank you so much for being in the code. I'll catch you tomorrow, hopefully with something more concrete to document. Peace.